Cakes Factory. Today we are diving into the color world of Mehndi Night cakes, perfect for those vibrant musical pre-wedding events filled with love, laughter, and color. Let's start the countdown. The first one is Henna Art Cake, a classic tile cake covered in intricate Mehndi patterns drawn in gold and brown royal icing. The next is bright floral cake cascade, buttercream or fondant flowers in bold marigold, fuchsia, and green, perfect for matching mehndi decor. The next is Desi dolki cake, shaped like traditional doll with sugar flowers, bangles, and colorful dupattas wrapped around. The next is bride to be cake, a simple or two-tiered cake with fondant figure of the bride in the mehndi dress holding her hands with mehndi drawn. Next is mirror white theme cake inspired by Pakistani lingers, shiny edible mirror accent and ethnic patterns in bright hues. The next is Mughal royal cake, elegant gold piping, emerald green and royal blue tones and many style details rich and regal. The next is Mehndi Night petal cake, bold splashes of hot pink and orange and purple and green with sugar roses and henna swirls. The next is marigold garden cake, decorated entirely with edible marigold, the ultimate Mehndi flower. The next is ring ceremony cake, a tied cake featuring fondant hand exchanging rings with Mehndi styles figures. The next is drum and dance theme cake, many dolls, tables, and dancing figures all around the cake for a fun and musical vibe. The next is color explosion cake, rainbow buttercream swirl, edible and confetti and gold touches celebrating in every bite. The next is peacock inspired design, peacock feather art with vibrant turtles, purples, and gold details wrapped elegantly around the cake. The next is traditional dupatta cake, draped fondant like a flowing dupatta with detailed embroidery, mirrors, and tassels. The next is Mandela art cake, a round cake covered with hand pointed Mandela henna art in edible gold and maroon. The next is love story Mehndi cake. Tell the bride and groom's story in tears. First meet, proposal, and Mehndi event on each layers. The next is Rangoli pattern cake, inspired by Rangoli and henna, colorful geometric patterns piped in royal icing. The next is sari border cake, detailed cake edges that look like sand borders or bridal saris, elegant and unique. The next is bride's name cake, custom cake, name cake with sugar roses, work and mehndi mubarak topper. The next is ethnic jeweler cake, necklace, bangles, and jumkas, all made of fondant and shimmering gold dust. The next is Desi festive dyed cake, a combine of everything color henna flower patterns and topped with a cute bright fingune. Which mehndi cake did you love the most? Tell us in the comment and tag a bride to be. Subscribe to Cakes Factory for more festive cake inspiration. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, take care.